Need more range in your 2022 Chevy GMC 2500 HD and 3500 HD 4x4 Crew Cab Long Bed Duramax? Look no further than Titan's Direct Fit 60-gallon fuel tank. The Chevy GMC stock fuel tank is 36 gallons. The Titan tank is 60 gallons. That's 24 extra gallons of fuel to get you where you want to go. Titan designs its fuel tanks to be a direct fit. The tank comes complete with black-baked, epoxy-coated galvanized steel mounting straps. Titan fuel tanks direct replacement midship fuel tanks are manufactured to use the truck stock and original equipment fuel sending unit. The truck stock fuel sending unit is removed from the stock tank and mounted to the Titan tank. They are a direct fit. With use of the stock sending unit, the truck's analog fuel gauge will read correct and accurate with the Titan tank. The new General Motors tank is made of Titan's famous military-grade cross-linked polymer that's tougher than steel and more durable than aluminum. This tank fits four-wheel drive vehicles, but it will not fit two-wheel drive trucks. Like all Titan products, this extra capacity fuel tank has undergone extensive testing, so you know it's built to last. Titan's legendary products are so tough and well-proven that they're backed by an unconditional lifetime warranty. So if anything ever happens to your Titan tank, you can rest assured that you'll be covered. For more information on this or any other of Titan's legendary products, visit www.titanfueltanks.com.